Hey, where are you? We are waiting for you to start the meeting.
I'm so tired of this concrete jungle. I'm sick of this monotone routine. I'm not going today.
But we're waiting
I'm
for you.
sorry. I need a break. Goodbye.
No.
Who are you?
You come looking for support and peace on me, but the first thing you do is hurt me. Your chemicals suffocate me. I can't breathe. Your ancestors would never do it. I used to live in harmony with them. They knew how to take care of me, passing the wisdom from one hand to the next, like the roots of an ancient tree thriving through the soil. They revered the forest, the rivers, the soil where their crops grew. I provide you with everything you need, but you can't see it. While it is true that we must move forward in time, we need a balance. I am air. I am water. I am fire. I am soil. I am Mother Earth. Follow me. Beneath your feet, unseen yet vital mycorrhiza, the weavers of strength. A connection that supports ecosystems and brings life by working together. These creatures, majestic, irreplaceable, they try to remain strong, but this is a hard battle. The power of restoration flows through me, just as it does with you. My forests regrow after fires. My corals are reborn after bleaching. Life pushes forward, and after the storms, I heal. When I am healthy, I fill your air with purity. You water with freshness, your food with nutrients. When you honor the delicate web of life, you become a part of it. I am strong, but you must be my ally. You have the power. The choice is yours.
I feel so much better. That was incredible. We are part of nature. If we care for her, we are caring for ourselves. Now I understand that we are one, and the least I can do is to speak out for those who cannot speak for themselves. I don't have to go outside to connect with her. Mother Nature is inside of me.